Hi, I'm Music Tech Guru, and I have 20 years' experience teaching music technology to students and teachers. The tutorials I write are designed to be both simple, informative, and engaging. The Guide to Band Mixing on Logic Pro X is a step-by-step guide to achieving a competent mix with school-level recordings and performances. You won't win a Grammy with the techniques I will show you, but you will be able to help your students get mixes that will pass the grade. By understanding how to use just 5 or 6 audio plugins, you can get the results you need to help your students gain confidence in their ability to produce and mix live recordings. You start the tutorial by opening a flat mix with zero processing or editing, and then follow the clear instructions given in the notes section for each instrument. There are also short tutorial videos that go into more detail for the most used plugins and editing techniques. The tutorial is a great introduction to multi-track recording coursework for students on the A-Level Music Technology course, BTEC and GCSE. Go to musictechguru.com for more info and for more music technology tutorials.